Hey everybody, it's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. I've got the New Haven Tycho going around with an Ather and helper. Now why? I'm doing it because despite taking the whole motor apart and cleaning out the armature was like black. It had a ring of black where the brushes go. And I cleaned that all up and I thought, oh, that's going to be the ticket. I bought some cool neodymium magnets and I thought maybe I could spruce the motor up, but the motor seems to run fine, and the neodymium magnets, I couldn't get an orientation on it that actually, corrected anything. So I left the neodymium magnets out. By the way, with neodymium super strong magnets, uh-oh, I think it's stalled in there. Yep. Hold on. Yep, she's stalled. Not really sure what's wrong with her. Oh, she derailed. Oh, she derailed. With a super long reach. All right, well, we got this saved. Now what? I don't know. What locomotive can I trust that would go get her and not destroy her at the same time? Don't seem to have a loco handy. And that would have enough oomph to, well, I get some of these Monster T1s, but it's just smash it. That would not be good. What is this? This is probably a noisy fella. Let's see. Yeah, she's on the other side of that though. So we'll have to send her around. So anyway, the wheels are clean. A lot of weird stuff going on with that loco. I was thinking of making a battery-powered cleaning train that would just run by itself. So you wouldn't even need to have the tracks cleaned at all. But my tracks are clean enough that, as you can see, stuff can run on it. I could just pull the cleaning things around, but maybe I'll make something like that and sell it. Bobby's Hobbies train cleaning car with a battery pack flat car. Let's hope this one can find she's in that tunnel over there. So now we got to be careful. Once she steps out of view, I need to get a camera system in there. Nope, she's dead. She's dead. All right, it's just a dead section of track, or the train died. Let's send another one in there. I'm gonna reverse it. I think the blue one's going to get there first. Finally. Is she dead? No, she's alive. Oh, now they're all derailed. I have to fix that track. Alright, well, can't be your old beauty and roses every day. Hey, thanks for watching. You never know what you're going to have happen on Bobby's Hobbies. Thanks again, and please like and subscribe.